Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the WhatsApp application in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Now what you want to do is simply silence those unknown callers. It's quite annoying. At the top right, next to the search icon, there is a button like this with some 3 dots. Simply click on it. And now something like this will open up. Let's simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, you will be provided by lots of options like account, privacy and everything. Let's simply go to privacy right here. Once you're in the privacy tab, you'll get lots of options like last seen online, read receipts and everything. Just scroll down till you see something like calls. Simply click on it. And from here, here's the silence unknown callers button. Just toggle on this button right here. And there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you silence unknown callers in WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.